welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, in case you are new here, and as you can tell by the title, we are decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. It's definitely a little bit early to be decorating for the holidays, but why not? At least we'll have 2 full months of Christmas decorations to enjoy. I just finished filming a undecorate with me for fall and cleaning. I just did a little bit of light cleaning around here to get ready to bring the holiday decor in. I'll link that video up in a card above, also down below if you want to check that out before the transformation of a winter wonderland. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead into the garage and load all of the Christmas decor in here and then just get started decorating. I have my Hallmark movies playing in the background. I have my Christmas sweater on. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you like content like this. I do decorating, cleaning, all types of videos like that. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stick around. I'd love to have you. Let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Yay! Okay guys, I'm gonna take you on a little tour. I just finished decorating. Here is my front entryway. I love how this turned out. I might get some extra fairy lights to throw in here, but I got this deer from Pier 1. I got this snowman from Target last year. This advent candle from Hallmark, the greenery from Michael's, and then that nativity is a gift. So I love how that turned out. Then I had to rearrange a little bit to make room for the tree, so my chair is now over here and I just have that snowflake pillow. And then here is what my table setting is looking like right now. I'll probably decorate it a little bit more as we get closer to the holidays, but I just love these little reindeer. I got these at Swoozy's. They're by the brand Mud Pie, and then I just had these napkins and folded them all cute, so that is what that looks like. And then making my way over to the tree, I have a skinny tree, but I don't have too many ornaments. I like to collect ornaments every time I go on vacation, so the majority of them are from vacations. So here's what it looks like. And then here is my mantle. I got these stockings last year from Home Goods, and then I believe I got this banner from Hobby Lobby last year. This greenery is from the Chip and Joanna Gaines collection this year at Target, and then these holders I believe are from Target last year at the dollar section. Making my way over into this corner, that little snowman is from Target last year. And so is that little bird from Target. This little guy is from Pier 1. And then this I picked up at Target this year. As of right now, this is how I decorated my bar cart. I just put some cute little towels along the side. I got those from Kohl's last year. Have some Christmas trees, napkins, a little light up Christmas tree, and that is just the same. As for my couch, not much has changed. I just threw on one pillow that says Let's Mistletoe. Got that from Target last year. I think I got that from Michael's last year. Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I can't quite remember. And right beside the cooktop, I have these cute little gingerbread people, which is cute, and this nightlight from Kohl's. I also have this wreath. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it yet, but for now I just have it propped up in the corner. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and decorating my home for the holidays. If you did, make sure you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!